In this episode, we're going to be checking out this Mitutoyo 4 to 5 inch outside micrometer. Let's go! Okay, so while I'm waiting for some stuff, I've actually been waiting for some tools actually, so I can start thinking about measuring up certain parts of the engine. So I've actually ordered some of those parts, and one of the things I've been waiting on is this Mitutoyo micrometer here, and that'll be to measure the bore. So this is, I think, I got a 4 to 5 inch one. So let's take a quick look at this. Pretty excited actually, just have a look at it. I've never had one before. So let's take a look and see what she looks like. So here we go, we've got that. That looks okay. I'll take this cover off. Nothing really on that there, so you can pull that off there. And we've got the case here. Let's have a little look at that. So it comes in this plastic case, which is kind of cool. Got this little tool here, which I'm really not sure what that's for. Never had one of these, so it's kind of interesting. It's got a little bit of paperwork in here as well. So it's got a ensure that your micrometer is 0 adjusted prior to use. Got some instructions there. I can't read any of that, but it does have an English version on the back. So it's basically a 1-year warranty that you get with it. Just basically some general advice on using it, making sure it's accurate. That's an interesting one. I'll have to look a bit more into that. And then we have some instructions on, I guess, how to use it. Don't drop it. Anyway, but we can have a little bit more of a look at that. We're not actually going to be looking at how to use it. I just wanted to show you what it comes with. An interesting one. There you go. Basically the manual. This comes in this little plastic bag here. So maybe I'll just move this to the side. There you go. This is 4 to 5 inches, as we can see there. Mitutoyo, or however they say that. This goes to a 1/10 of an inch. This is the model number, made in Japan. So there you go. You've got your, I don't know what they call this then. You've got this which adjusts your graduations. You can see you got your measurements here. And then you've got some additional measurements here to get the accuracy across the top here. I don't know that much about it, but I've had some basic looks. So this is, you can wind it here, but obviously when you put some pressure, you can see anvil here, if I was to do that, then this just stops you like over tightening it so you can get an accurate measurement. There you go, we'll get a bit of a look at the anvil ends there. But it's very nice. Feels really good quality, and I guess it's so it should be. So I bought this from within Australia here. I think I got it off Amazon from memory. Had it delivered. It was about 198 Australian dollars, which is pretty good, I thought, for a tool that, you know, should last a lifetime. So there's that. Now it also comes with this. This is actually oily, so I'm assuming this is a way for you to calibrate it. Some sort of oil on it, little caps. I'm going to leave that right now. I'll have a bit of a look through the instructions. But this is probably, I'm guessing, a way for you to calibrate it. So you put it in there and you measure it and you calibrate that it's correct. and it's accurate. And then it also comes with this, which I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's part of the calibration, but I'll have a look through the instruction. Maybe I can put in a comment here on what that actually is for. So there we go. There's my first one of probably at least 2 micrometers I'm going to need. This one here is used for planning on measuring the bores for the Cleveland. I'm just waiting for a dull bore indicator to arrive that's coming from the US. And then we'll use that in conjunction with this to accurately measure our bores and work out what the taper and stuff is of the bore, and get familiar with how to use this thing properly, measuring the bores. And then also a second one, which I'll have to order, which will do all the crank journals and stuff like that. So yeah, there we go. There's my first micrometer. Okay, so that's going to wrap it up for this episode. I know it was a short one, with just a quick unboxing of this, of the outside micrometer, just to give you a quick look. Maybe we'll look at another one on how to actually use one. But yeah, thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.